This video is being recorded on Monday, September 30th, 2019. Hello everyone, this is Nicholas Acosta and welcome back to the channel, CSCBVIP, also known as Computer Science for Blind and Visually Impaired People. And today, in today's video, I'm going to be talking about the release of iOS 13.1.2. Apple is on a roll because iOS 13 has been around for exactly, it came out on the 19th and today's the 30th, so exactly 11 days ago. Now, iPadOS 13.1 has been released for released for only 6 days now. But Apple is making a bunch of improvements to their system as far as bugs, performance, and security goes. And Apple just finished releasing 13.1.2 to the public a few hours ago, and they continue to fix a lot of issues that people have been having either during the public beta, the developer beta, and the public beta of iOS 13. This means that whatever issues were in the beta, during testing, the testing period, that they didn't catch was introduced in the initial release of 13.0. And then there were probably still bugs and problems that were around when 13.1 was released, and then when iPadOS 13.1 was released. So between the last update that we got was for 13.1.1, which fixed a security issue with the keyboard, some Siri fixes, Safari issues. If you want to take a listen, to the video that I did on 13.1.1, you can listen to that video. But just upgrade today to 13.1.2 because you're not gonna notice anything with voiceover, but you will notice a bunch of speed and improvements. And before updating, I had 19.89 gigabytes, and then after updating, I had 19.98 gigabytes, so almost 20 gigabytes of storage on this update. I updated my iPhone XS Max, and you're really not going to notice anything but extra, the bug improvements. Like I said, none of this stuff is going to affect how VoiceOver works, but just know that this update is very, very important, and there might be some security patches in there as well. Also, there is some new information regarding macOS 10.15 Catalina, and currently right now it's in the GM stage, which is the Gold Master, which is going to be the release that will be released in just a few days. Some of my tech sources are reporting that it's going to be released on October 4th, so that would be on Friday. I hope it gets released on October 4th. I actually thought it would be released today, but I heard that it would be released on October 4th. So if that's true, then expect macOS El Capitan, not El Capitan, sorry about that. Whoops, that was a long time ago. macOS 10.15 Catalina to hit the App Store, and in order for you to download this when it comes out, you're either going to want to go into software updates and check it that way and install it that way, or you can go into the Mac App Store, and usually the operating system will be one of the first links on the App Store's homepage. So Catalina introduces a lot of new features, especially with voiceover, accessibility features, and the new voice control feature will be making its way to the Mac. It's currently on iOS, but it'll be making its way to the Mac, and I can't wait to try out that feature on the Mac. I've tried it out on iOS. It works very, very well, but I haven't been able to play around with one of the Mac betas yet because, well, I don't have an extra Mac lying around. I only have my MacBook Pro, which is my main machine. But who knows, maybe sometime in the future I'll be able to afford another Mac and I can get my hands on a beta. That way I can do some testing as well. But anyway, I hope everyone enjoyed this video, and I'll be looking forward to macOS 10.15 Catalina, and hopefully it'll be released on October 4th, and then we'll have the weekend to install it. And yeah, so I hope everyone is having a wonderful day. And if you aren't already subscribed to this video, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button, give this video a huge thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a nice day.